Hello, I'm Daichijoy CP and my registration number is UR150CS343. So today I'm going to tell you about my Unix lab domain experiment, which is inter-process communication using pipes. So we have two types of pipes, which is named pipe and unnamed pipe. So here I have given the questions, that is developing a C program using system calls to implement named pipes. And process 1 is writer process and process 2 is reader process. So here in writer process, process 1 creates a pipe and writes a string into the pipe, and the reader process opens and reads a string from the pipe and displays string in uppercase. And in unnamed pipe, we have to create a C program using system calls to implement unnamed pipes. And parent process creates a pipe and writes an integer number to the pipe, and the child process reads the integer number from the pipe and tells whether the number is entered is odd or even. Or parent process creates pipe and writes a string into the pipe, and the child process reads a string from the pipe and displays a string in uppercase. So I have done the named pipe and unnamed pipes here. So I'll show my program now. So here you can see I have given the headers as hash include stdio.h and fcenter.h and string.h. Then I open the main program starts from here. So in main and open the parentheses. Next character buffer 1 of 30. So I have given 30 of arrays and int id. So id equal to mk node. So we have to create here. So pipe will be created using mk node system call. So make node depo.x. So this is the file name. So mknode will follow first in first out thing. So which is first in first out. So if id equal to 0, so that is if it is created. So if the node is created, that means 0 gives it is successful, shows that it is successful. So printf pipe created, else printf pipe not created. And the next printf enter the content /n, then scanf percentage and buffer 1. So this is we will user will enter the content. So for that we are using scanf here, and it will be stored in buffer 1. And int ft equal to open depo.txt. So here I have used open system call for opening the file which I have created here. So this is depo.txt. So I have opened here, created here. Now I'm opening it. So and I have given on permission as write only. And for that writing I used a write system call here. So write file descriptor buffer 1 and 20. And next this is the mode, 20 is the mode, and close that file descriptor. So we should create mk node here using mk node here. Then we have to open it, then we have to write into it using write system call, and we have to close it using close system call. So the syntax for closing the close system call is close, and the file descriptor which we have created. So I'll execute it now. So here it's showing pipe not created. So the pipe is not created. So it is asking enter the content. So let me give communication. So the content is written into the file. So now I'll show you how it will get. So here you can see I have given the same header. So hash include stdio.h, hash include fcmpl.h, hash include string.h, and I opened the main program starts from here in main, and character buffer 2 of 30. So previously I gave 20, and now I'm here giving here 13. And in fp equal to open the.text, so which we have already opened there in the first program. So up there we have objects written into that file. So here now we are reading from that file. So the permission we have to give is read only. So read file is picked up buffer 2 comma 20, and int n equal to string length of buffer 2. So how much we are giving? So string length of buffer 2 int I. To printf the content inside the file is for I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Next printf %c. So % comma 2 uppercase. So the content which we have written will come in the uppercase and buffer 2 of I. So I'll execute it now. So you can see the content inside the file is communication. So here I have written the content in the file, which is communication. So it is reading from the file and it is showing us in upper case. Thank you.